Hello guys, welcome to my channel Technology Sahayak. Today in this video I will show you a common problem within the KineMaster. When we take one layer in the KineMaster, it's supported. But when we take multiple layers, KineMaster not supported multiple layers. So without wasting time, let's start how to solve KineMaster multiple video layer problem. After entering the KineMaster, click on Settings. Click on Device Performance Information. Guys, here you will see the permission of video layers, maximum video quality, and how many video layers we will take. Guys, as you can see here, we will take only one layer. Number of layers not supported. And that's why, when we take multiple layers, then KineMaster not supported. So, for taking multiple video layers, press on Analyze Device Performance. And wait until the processing is complete. At the end of the processing, you can see that the video layer permissions have been changed. Now, we will take multiple video layers without any problem. Guys, if you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and also subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.